One day, AI shows up in your job, not as something to build, but something you're expected to use. And suddenly, the challenge isn't the technology, it's knowing how to apply it, where it actually helps, and how to make it work in real teams. In Nexford's Master of Science in AI and Technology Management, that's exactly what you learn. Not how to code models, but how to make confident AI decisions as a leader. You work on real scenarios, not theory, analyzing how manufacturers use AI to optimize operations, turning business needs into AI solutions, the way consultants do, and evaluating cost, risk, and return before recommending AI investments to leadership. Along the way, you learn how to design intelligent automation, quantify ROI, manage governance and ethics, and guide teams through the change AI brings to everyday work. And the outcomes are measurable. 82% of Nexford graduates report a salary increase within 18 months, and the majority move into management or leadership roles, applying these skills on the job. Study 100% online, on your schedule. Ready to lead what's next? Apply today.